You have a deadline tomorrow. You know exactly what you need to do. And yet here you are. Procrastination is not laziness. It is an emotional regulation problem. When you think about the task you are avoiding, your amygdala activates. It treats the deadline like a physical threat. Your prefrontal cortex gets shut down. You reach for your phone. Scrolling gives a quick dopamine hit that temporarily relieves stress. Your brain learns that avoiding the task feels good, so it motivates you to keep avoiding. The 5-minute rule works. Tell yourself you will work for just 5 minutes. Once you start, your brain realizes the threat was imaginary, and the prefrontal cortex comes back online. Lower the bar to ridiculous levels. Not write the report. Open the document and type the title. Not clean the kitchen. Wash one plate. Make the starting action so small your brain does not see a threat. Procrastination is not about time management. It is about emotion management. Ask yourself what emotion you are trying to escape. Then give yourself permission to feel it and start anyway, for 5 minutes. That is all it takes to break the loop. Not finish the task. Not do it perfectly. Just start. Your brain will do the rest.